Managing fire protection can be complex, from pre-construction fire strategies and risk assessments through to product delivery, installation, service and maintenance and collection. With Bull Products Fire 360 service, we make it simple from project start to end. Just 2 phone calls from you. It all starts with a call. Our expert team is on hand 5 days a week to discuss your project start or requirements and kickstart your fire protection journey. Our team will assess your site, ensure compliance with fire safety regulations and provide a tailored protection plan, all free of charge. We'll fine-tune the project scope and quote until it's just right. No surprises, a clear path forward. Following the site survey, we provide marked drawings, clearly mapping out your fire protection plan. Every detail is designed to achieve 100% compliance. We'll confirm your order and arrange delivery to suit your timeline. Simple, smooth and efficient. Tracked through our asset management system. Our trained engineers install everything to the quoted spec, ensuring your site meets all fire safety standards. We'll commission and certify your system, then offer hands-on training at your convenience to ensure your full understanding and competence for the system installed. Our tailored service plan keeps your equipment in top condition. From 6 monthly alarm checks to annual extinguisher servicing, we'll remind you exactly when each inspection is due. We're with you 100% of the time with 24/7 support. Enjoy fast nationwide technical support, automatic service reminders and peace of mind knowing your systems are regularly maintained to help you keep your site compliant and keep your people safe. Project done? We'll handle the clear out. Let us know when you're finished. We'll collect all applicable temporary fire safety equipment, no fuss. With our sustainability-focused Green Bull service, your equipment is cleaned, inspected and stored free of charge for up to 12 months, ready for your next project. You'll receive monthly stock reports and can reuse your assets to reduce waste, cut costs and lower your carbon footprint. When you're ready to restart Fire 360, simply give us a call. We will support you all the way, resupplying your customer stock for the next project. Fire 360 by Bull Products, a complete end-to-end service that keeps your sites protected from start to finish. Contact us today to get started.